first step, we're gonna uncover this cover over here. So step 1, remove the cover. All right. Okay, so first step. Second step is to remove this cover. Now for that is we have to remove this bolt over here and this bolt over here. We can remove, we have to apply some pressure. All right, because all right, so this is removed. The third step, as you can see, this is the O2 sensor here that's connected to the exhaust. You stick it inside, you press upwards. See if you can see it here, upwards. See here, up, and then carefully, and see, yes, unconnected. Is here is move it backwards. Here, move it backwards, and then there you go, and it's all removed. Now, okay, the fourth step is to remove this knob over here, because this, as you can see, it holds the O2 sensor cable. So we take this thing off and then we'll connect it later on. Okay, this is out. All right, fourth step complete. Fifth step is to loosen these bolts over here. Okay, they have 4 bolts in there. These are the headers, so we're gonna remove. So the first thing we're gonna do is take an old cloth and put it here so we don't scratch any parts. Yeah. To loosen these things we need a 12mm socket, which is already 12mm. All right, so this is the first one. Okay, well, first we're gonna take this off. Now we're gonna take the headers off. So, okay, hold on. Okay, opa, careful. Okay, so this comes out. Okay. All right, so the fifth step is complete. All right, so the sixth step is to loosen this bolt to loosen up the muffler. So we're gonna insert cable. For this you need a 14mm socket. You'll require the extender, because so be careful, because probably the bolt is in here. All right, so the sixth part is complete. Okay, so the seventh step is to completely remove the muffler. As you can see, I have put a cardboard board underneath it, so when it comes out. All right. Okay. Fantastic. Look at that. It's a heavy duty thing. All right. So the eighth, I think it's the eighth step, is to be sure to remove the O2 sensor. Be careful. I'm going to use a 17-inch wrench to loosen the bolt here. Okay, see, just gonna put it here. For the meantime, make sure it stays safe and it stays clean. Okay. Okay, so in the meantime, there you go, safe. All right, so the removal is done, it's complete.